This is the live recording for Deliverable 6 for Group McMad for 4620. So here you can see our user stories, which was to manage the pickup event, address, donor, donations, as well as to generate the mapping the rules, checking for duplicates, and recording the donations. As you saw on the other side, all this user story criteria were met during this sprint, and you can see that also through our Salesforce. So here in our Salesforce, this is the lead area, and so you can see our different company account information, such as the city and country. And on this side, hold on. And you can see that it's been indexed and it has a data type. Next, we can go to Object Manager and go to Account. Where you'll also see everything needed for the account when recording a donor. Lastly, we will go toward our contact. And again, you can see that the account name as well as the managing address is done through address override, and they all have their own values for the data type.